Hey guys, we are at the ARMO booth and it's going to be my first look at the Nomad. I've been in college all couple months of what they've been doing, so I saw it when it was not so good and it was in its moments.
A shell. It was
in its shell moments.
Yeah.
So he's going to show me what it looks like.
So this is the pre-reveal before the reveal.
So that we can show you guys after the reveal.
Yeah.
It'll be posted.
Yeah.
So you guys will get to see my first impressions of the car, and you guys will get to see the car.
And then you can tell everybody why it's special.
Awesome.
Okay, you ready? Let's let this, let the forklift go by. All right.
Oh.
Hold on. Got to get the whole experience here.
Ooh, it's all shiny already.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
All right, you ready?
Wait, that looks really good so far. Wait, it looks so good. Oh, and you put it in a case? Oh my goodness.
And we put it in a case. Go, yeah. Walk
Wait,
around.
this
I'll open it all up.
So good. Do we really have to sell this?
Maybe, maybe not.
Oh. Oh my goodness. You guys did so well.
Yeah. The little ones did a ton of it.
So good.
It's as good as we can make it.
I'm fingerprinting it. I know. Stop.
We'll polish again.
That's so weird, seeing something actually under the hood.
Right?
Oh my goodness. Stop.
All right.
This is so good.
So
go a little spiel now?
Yeah. So why is this Nomad so special? You've been telling everybody for the last 3 months why it's special. Explain why it's special.
So this Nomad is so special because it's one of 4 of the first fuel-injected systems. And what's really cool is this was made in 1956 for the 1957 New York show to be on the floor.
Yeah. So it was at all of the auto shows, New York, Detroit, Chicago, Los Angeles, because of that. That is the #2 fuel injection unit ever made, and it was made by the experimental division of GM and installed on top of a Corvette race motor, which has a story to it why it's on a Corvette race motor, because they needed a motor that could handle the fuel injection and run, and the only ones at that time were race cars. So the reason this is so special is it is the prototype for what the 1957 Chevy Nomad would look like and what the fuel injection systems would be. So it's one of one.
Cool. So cool.
Yeah.
And Dane has made an entire website on all the specifics of why it's also extra cool. So if you guys have interest in that, definitely go check it out.
Yeah. If you like to geek out, it has all of the original work orders, the original pictures. We were able to find all the work orders in the GM archives for the car. And the website is showmad.com. SHOWMAD, showmad.com.
Oh, it looks so good.
It's amazing, right?
It looks so good.
Like, just everything is so nice.
It looks so good. I don't even know how to end this.
Walk around back and look at the other fuel injection unit we did.
I guess I'd also...
Because
Dane likes to geek out and find extra things.
No, that came on the car. That's the one that they put on because the 4360 units were so bad that Chevy told all the dealers to take those off of a car and put a 4960 or a 4800 on. So this is the one that came with the car, but we also have the original #2 unit as well.
So cool. It looks so good. You guys did such a good job.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Well, we'll see you guys tomorrow to do another little spiel and reveal.
There'll be tons of content.
We'll do more content on that.
Tomorrow, 10:30 a.m. at the ARMO booth, 23295. And we're going to do the reveal for everybody then. But we wanted to make this video now while it was quiet the day before. And we'll just schedule this post. It'll drop at 11 o'clock. Awesome.
Awesome.
Killed it.